Hello and welcome everybody to my channel SuperfunEnglish. My aim is to make the English learning super fun. So today I have come with a new topic, how to teach Quadgraph to children. I have made bunch of videos on topics like how to teach diagraph, how to teach diagraph to students. I will share those links in the I button or in the description box. Please check them out if you are looking for such topics. Now today's topic is how to teach Quadgraph to kids. In this video you can expect a concept of Quadgraph, how to practice Quadgraph with kids. Let's dive in, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. First, let's understand what is Quadgraph. Di means 2, tri means 3, qua means 4, and graph means letters. So when four letters are coming together, they are making a single sound that is called Quadgraph. So Quadgraph means, qua means 4, graph means word. When 4 letters are coming together and they are making a single sound, that is called Quadgraph. Now let me give you a few examples. What are Quadgraphs? What are most commonly used Quadgraph? And let me give you some words which has Quadgraph in it. So this is our first Quadgraph which has 3 different sounds: O, and OF. So here let's read thought, enough, tough. Every time give stress on the Quadgraph. The next Quadgraph we pronounce it as O, caught, caught, dot, naughty. So every time you will just make your student understand how to pronounce this particular Quadgraph. Now next Quadgraph we pronounce as us. Us, previous, us, gracious. Next Quadgraph is width, height, 8. So here the 4 sounds are combining together and making a single sound which is known as Quadgraph, and each and every Quadgraph has the particular sound. The next one is also we pronounce as us, simultaneous, gaseous. Again they will read with the letter sound and focus on the Quadgraph pronunciation. Now it's time for activities. As you all know, I always prefer activities, interactive learning that helps the student to learn better. So let's start few activities related to Quadgraph. You can follow these activities and teach the Quadgraph concepts to the students. So this is the first activity of Quadgraph. So far we have learned what is Quadgraph, what is the concept of Quadgraph, and what are the most commonly used Quadgraphs. So this is activity number 1, which is the reading slips. As I always tell you, do not give too many words in the reading slip, just focus on 1 words at a time. So yeah, I have given the 2 words which has the same Quadgraph in it, So here Quadgraph means 4 letters coming together or combines together. And here I have given the dots. The dot one things they have to practice again and again, from the diagraph, from the trigraph, from the Quadgraph, everywhere they are focusing on the dots. So here you will first you will show them the Quadgraph and you will tell them how to pronounce this Quadgraph, how this Quadgraph we pronounce. Then you will show them how to read this by pointing the dots. Why there is only one dot while we have 4 letters? Because these 4 letters comes together and form just a single sound. That's why we have only one dot under it. So here all the underlines and the dots are the guidance for them to read. So just give them the same quadgraph in at least 4 to 5 reading slips. Do not mix them up and focus on only one quadgraph at a time so they learn it better. So once they are done, first you will give them the concept, then you will show them how to read this quadgraph, then give the instruction and ask them to read these reading slips. So this is activity number 1. Let's come to the activity number 2. Once they have done with the reading slips with a different quadgraph, they have got the idea about what is quadgraph and how to read the quadgraph, right? So once they are done with the activity number 1, they have mastered the activity number 1, you can give them the activity number 2. So this is activity number 2, which is the matching activity. So here I have given 3 different quadgraph and I have given the reading slips, mixed reading slips. So what they have to do, they have to read it loud. Third. So which quadgraph we have used, that they have to find and they have to match. Then again they have to take one reading slips and they have to read L. So which quadgraph we have used? This one. So like this way they will match one by one. Wait. So which quadgraph? This one. So the second activity is matching activity, where you are giving them the mixed quadgraph, mixed reading slips, and they have to sort them. Every time they are sorting them, we are pushing them to read. As many times as they read, they learn how to read the quadgraph words, right? So this is activity number 2. Next activity is word builder. So here I have given one quadgraph and I have given the different letter cards and they have to make the words. How many words you can make by using this quadgraph? Let me see. The first is L. So, love. Love. So 1. Then we can do this as well. Cut. This way they have to build the word by using this quadgraph. So these are all very simple activities which encourage the children to think about the quadgraph. These are all as simple that you can make at home and you can practice with your students and with your kids. So this is activity number 3. Do you think this video is helpful for students? Do you think this video is helpful for parents, preschool teachers? Then don't forget to share this video with your community who might need this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button and don't forget to like this video. Thank you everybody.